Let's see how to install Srivari Mandiram. Now we will open accessories box. Here is microfiber cloth to clean the Mandiram, bell hook, power adapter and bell. Let's fix the bell now. Take the bell hook and fix it here. Now hang the bell like this. Take out the water cabin and fill the water up to 75%. Always keep the water level at a minimum of 50%. Do not forget to clean the cabin 3 to 4 days once. Now place it back. It's power up time. It's a 5-volt standard high quality adapter. Use only company provided adapter. Here is the power port. Please plug in gently. Now switch on the power. Here it is the sensor, volume control, function switch, power port and exhaust fan. Now ring the bell. The Abhishekam will run for about 30 minutes. If you don't want to wait, just tap the bell again to go directly to the darshan. The darshan will stay on for 1 hour. If you want to close the doors, simply tap the bell again. To activate or deactivate the bell, press and hold the function button for 5 seconds.
The bell is deactivated. The bell is activated.
You can play your favorite Swamy songs or mantras by pairing with Bluetooth. Just simply open Bluetooth settings. You can find SVM word on pairing list. Just select it and pair it. You can play from YouTube or any media platform. Maintenance. Clean the water cabin every 3 to 4 days once. Use only plain RO drinking water. Avoid tap water as it has salt. Do not pour milk or any other liquid. Please switch off the power after each use. Use microfiber cloth to clean the Mandiram.